Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing 30 crochet ideas to do when you're bored. Number 1, a crochet book sleeve cover. If you have a book cover that you don't like or you just want to do it, then yeah, I think it's good. I would never expect myself to make this, but to be honest, I really like the design and how people get creative, like the second one and this one. So yeah. I like making cases, and there's two options. You can make one like the first one or the second one, where you can just hang it like a sling bag, which I personally would do. You can wear these in winter, and you can just wear them in like summer for style, I guess. I really like this, so of course. This is the perfect time to mention this because it's back to school time, and if you're a girl, the makeup bag will really help you, and also the pencil case. If you are a cat lover, then this is definitely approved and you should start working on this if you actually want to, though. I only have one picture of this because this was not really popular, but if you're a cat lover, then this is very approved for you. I think you've noticed how much I'm starting to get into lots of crochet cat stuff, and I know this sounds crazy and you probably won't do it, but these things exist. A pillow or a cushion. This time you're just making the actual pillow or cushion, not just the casing of it. In my opinion, this one's really popular, but maybe you just wanted to make this. 10, a beanie or a hat. I don't know what you call it, but I call it a bonnie for no reason. But this seems like a cute and fun idea because you can make like animal faces. A pouch, and I've been seeing this bunny a lot lately, and I've just seen it on a crochet pouch. Pretty sure it's called Miffy. I wanted to add this one in because I like the way that people started putting flowers on it, but I am not doing it because there's a high chance that it's gonna get set on fire someday. A water bottle, case, thing, sling bag. I don't know what it's called anymore. I've seen many people call it other names, and I can't seem to find a picture, so I guess you can just look it up, and yeah, I think you will know what it is. A cup, ramen, amigurumi. Being specific here because that really looks cute. Fake cookies. 16, pizza. I'm guessing you can just make like a playset, like the first picture, or like a pizza cushion, or like a pizza keychain, or this is just an idea. A top or a cardigan. I think this one's really cute. A crocheted hook. I know there's like hooks that are like metal and all of that, but what if you actually tried to make a hook out of the yarn? Like, it's kind of a nice idea. 19, a place to keep your hooks. If you're a hook collector, then this one's going to be really helpful for you in the future, and you can make like all of them connected into one, so you can like organize the big ones in the smaller sizes. A keychain, it's up to you if you wanted to make it amigurumi, but most of the ones I've seen are amigurumi, and I've rarely seen ones that are flat. If you wear glasses, this one's good and useful. Another popular one, which is a granny square. If you live somewhere in the North Hemisphere and it's like winter, I definitely recommend this because it's like cold. On cold days, these are really nice, and I also prefer thicker blankets. 24, a mug holder. The example in the picture is really cute, and I'm willing to try that out once I get better at crochet. 25, a dream catcher. I already have one, but I kind of want to make another one because it's brown and it doesn't really match my aesthetic. 26, earrings, and I would make like those tiny heart earrings if I were you. A bracelet. You will need a smaller hook to make these tiny details, which is going to be hard, but I usually make those simple bracelets using just chains using a 3.5 hook. A ring. Usually I make bracelets that are like thicker with details, but the details are big, and they always end up breaking, and I accidentally make a ring. So yeah. A rug. This one's not my room, but I thought this was cute. 30, the last one, a skincare headband. If you don't have one, I think this one's worth to try if you have a good skincare routine.